In this video, I want to show the flow between the Spring Authorization Server, the Spring Resource Server, and the Spring Oauth2 client. I created a filter that can log all requests. First, I want to go over the filter's code. I created a log filter class in each project which implements the filter interface. We have the annotations component and order are very important here. We log with each request the date and time, the address, the port, the path, and all headers of the request. With do filter we go to the next filter in the chain. I created this filter in the Spring Authorization Server, the Spring Resource Server, and the Spring Oauth2 client. We can now start the projects and look at the console of the Spring Authorization Server, the Spring Resource Server, and the Spring Oauth2 client. First, we start the Spring Authorization Server and pin it to the first console screen. Then we start the Spring Resource Server and pin it to the second console screen. Upon starting the Spring Resource Server, we see two requests in the Spring Authorization Server from the Spring Resource Server. Well-known open a configuration. Oauth2 JWKS. If we start the Spring Oauth2 client, we see a third request in the Spring Authorization Server. Well-known open a configuration. If we try to log in a browser window, we see two requests at the Spring Oauth2 client. In the root, Oauth2 authorization my Oauth2, and two requests in the Spring Authorization Server, Oauth2 authorize, and login. If we log in with user and password, we get 5 more requests to the Spring Authorization Server. Login, Oauth2 authorize, Oauth2 token, Oauth2 JWKS, Oauth2 JWKS. 2 requests to Spring Oauth2 client. Login Oauth2 code my Oauth2. And the root. And 1 request to the Spring Resource Server. At the root,